You are watching Pasher Barir Ranna, recipes from the neighbours' kitchen.
বাড়ির কাছে আর শ্রীনগর সেথা পড়শি বসত করে এখন পড়শি বসত করে একদিনও না।
This is bitter melon stuffed with minced meat with Jessie Yung.
Do I need to hold this?
No, you
I don't know.
I'll remind you.
Why don't we sit side by side? It's fun talking to you side by side, like me sitting like this, like as though I have committed some crime that I'm being interviewed. So today's recipe is we are doing the bitter melon with minced meat, and in Chinese we call nyong fu kwa. And we are doing them with two different type of sauce. One is with the to panchang and one is with the to suchang, which is the black bean sauce. Okay, so we buy the bigger size bitter melon. We need to wash them thoroughly with the brush, like how you wash your clothes, you just brush them off thoroughly. Okay, after that we cut open the bittergourd. We take out the seeds from inside. So we have prepared the pork and we have washed them well, and then we chopped it into cubes, and then I did the keema in the cleaver, which I usually prefer, rather than using the machine, and which will become more pasty, which I don't like it. So we have prepared the minced pork and we have separated them in various portions, where we will be working on different recipe, which is the stuffed beancurd. And then we have also saved some minced pork for the eggplant morning glory with minced meat. What we got today is a better quality of the shiitake mushroom. Last week, what we used was especially these are not good mushroom because it's black.
Oh, okay.
Okay, always try to find that. Yeah, when you buy a mushroom, always have it this is not a good one.
Okay.
So I told them today, while choosing the shiitake mushroom, we don't concentrate only looking at the top layer of the mushroom. We need to know, when you turn the mushroom, the inside, the inner layer also, it has to be more white. That's when you know that is a good quality mushroom. So we soak the mushroom again in the boiling water for 15 minutes. After that, when it softens, then we wash them thoroughly again with salt to remove all the impurities. we got the minced pork. We put them in a bigger bowl because we are going to marinate the pork. So like with the help of the chopstick, I'm mixing the minced meat along with the shiitake and the carrot, and I'm moving my chopstick in one direction because like that's how we were taught, like when we move in one direction, the texture of the meat becomes better. After that, we transfer it to a smaller bowl. We wrap them up in a cling film and we put them back in the fridge, like so that the meat becomes firm again before I apply them to the bittergourd. Because when we are working on the mixture, it becomes warm. And when you like try to do the stuffing, it will not stick. It's going to like drop out from the side. We need to put them back in the fridge. Put it in the freezer, then it will be faster. Yeah. Okay, today what we have used is the white egg, but I would prefer the desi egg, which is more thick and it binds well. And we beat one single egg. We put it like in the inner layer of the bittergourd for the stuffing. Just like apply the meat to the bittergourd. So like when we are applying the minced meat to the bittergourd, we need to be like very careful. We have to make sure it sticks well. So we need to utilize a thumb and press it. And with anything that you are using to apply it, you need to press it like firmly also on the meat part.
You can help me. You can do it also. Can you utilize your thumb just to press it down?
See, okay.
You can utilize just like to smoothen it out. You use the knives. Yeah.
So after applying the minced meat to the bitter melon, we need to put them back again to the fridge one more time, okay, for them to combine well, to stick well before we fry them in the wok. Again, like during frying, you can use any type of oil, but not mustard oil and olive oil. We need to test the temperature. We use the old traditional method using the chopstick. When you put the chopstick down in the oil, there will be bubbles coming out. That's when you know the oil is ready to be used. Because the meat is raw, it's not like cooked. Anything that is cooked, obviously you can work on it like on high heat. But that is like fully raw from scratch, you're frying, the oil has to be medium heat. You can smell it actually. We usually, like how we know it is done is it floats up and you get that smell, that aroma comes. That's when we know that it's done. Today we have fried the bitter melon, okay, and some will come out because nobody is perfect. Not to worry, we can use a skewer and we can put them back together again. You can serve it like for your guests, like as a party snacks. Anything actually. So today we are working on two types of sauce. One is a topanjang and one is a tousijang.
The Pasher Barir Ranna series is made possible by the support of our patrons at Bongits Adda. If you think that the work we are doing is valuable, please consider becoming a patron. It really makes a difference. The link to join Bongits Adda is in the description.
Let's chop this.
You can use the black bean as a whole, but today we are using the black bean. I have like chopped it into like smaller pieces, you know, so that it's not too scary to the eye. Okay.
So I'm cooking here or there?
In order to prepare the sauce, we add a little bit of oil. Start by putting the garlic pods, and which takes a little bit more time to cook than the minced one. Then you add the minced garlic, ginger, chilies, the black bean, okay? And it is also because of the black bean which has the pungent smell. That's why we are adding a little bit of sugar. Now I'm using a little bit dark soy sauce and the light soy sauce. So we added water and we thicken it with the cornstarch slurry which we have prepared beforehand. To panchang is also another type of sauce which is easily available in the market. Same method, you put in the oil, add the ginger, the garlic, chilies, to panchang, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and again a little bit of sugar to bring out the actual taste of the to panchang. And then add the water and the cornstarch slurry again to thicken the sauce. The consistency also depends on the weather. If it's for takeout, it shouldn't be too thick. If instantly you are having it, you can make it a little bit thicker. It's up to you actually.